Hi YouTube, we're going to do a fun song today. It's called Poisoned Heart. It's by a group called Creeper. And they're kind of have like a goth kind of feel. And it's a really catchy song. I like it. Alright. Okay, let's go over the different sections of the song and how to play them. You have a D. The song starts on a D. I got a poison heart. Goes to A minor. Right from the start. C. U, do, 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 G. That repeats 2 times. D, A minor. It goes into a pre-chorus, and it plays the E minor into C, then it goes G, stays on the G for like maybe 1.5 measures or bars, and then so it hangs on that G, and then it goes E minor to A. Now it goes into the chorus. The chorus is the same as the verse. D, E minor, C, G. That repeats. Drive with me. I'll take you to something G. Then it goes back to playing it quiet for the verse. Got something hard. Alright, those are the 3 sections of the song that repeat. The only other section of the song is at the very, very end. It plays an outro. It goes E minor, C, D. And it fades out. E minor, C, D. You don't even have to play that though. If you just want to fade out on the chorus, you could do that. No one would know the difference. The only other part to cover is this short guitar solo towards the end of the song. Instead of singing on the verse, they play a little guitar solo. Quickly go over the guitar solo for Poisoned Heart. Starts on your 5th string, your A string. Phrase and the guitar solo is the open is on strings 5 and 4. after we get to that open E, then we jump up to the 4th string. So we start on the 4th, we walk up, and then it goes into the chorus on a D. So that's the guitar solo in Poisoned Heart. I hope that helps you. And that is the whole song. So hope you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me grow my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye.